बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, आप यूट्यूब चैनल देख रहे हैं। मैं मोहम्मद जुनैद शफ़क़त, प्रिंसिपल द स्किल्स शॉर्ट हैंड एंड कंप्यूटर कॉलेज हरबंसपुरा लाहौर। न्यूज़पेपर पैरा 2 डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट। Islamabad oblique Lahore colon the PPP has linked its support to PMLN in the centre with its participation in Punjab government, while Nawaz League stalwarts have publicly opposed moves to form a government that would be like a crown of thorns for them. Full stop. A source in the PPP told Dawn that the party had asked PMLN that all other matters would be decided between them later, the N League would first have to give it some space in the Punjab setup. Full stop. Following this demand, the scheduled meeting of the contact and coordination committees of both sides could not take place on Friday, with the PMLN seeking one more day to sit together on Saturday. Full stop. Members of the PMLN's committee went to Lahore on Friday to get response of the party's high command on the PPP's demand. Full stop. They will return from Lahore tomorrow, and the meeting between the two sides will take place at 3 p.m. on Saturday, the source said. Full stop. Paragraph. The sources explained that the PPP had linked its support to the N League even regarding formation of the latter's government in the centre and election of the Prime Minister, with PPP's participation in Punjab government. Full stop. Several attempts were made to contact PMLN leader Mariam Aurangzeb to take her party's point of view on the matter, but she did not respond to requests for comment. Full stop. In Punjab, the PMLN has emerged the single largest party in February 8 election with 137 general seats and likely to form its provincial government, with party's chief organizer Mariam Nawaz being new chief minister of Punjab. Full stop. The PPP bagged 10 seats of the provincial assembly in Punjab and emerged as the third major party there, while the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) stood second with 116 seats. Full stop. Sources said both sides in its meeting on Saturday were also expected to discuss the modalities for the formation of the provincial government in Balochistan, where the PPP had grabbed the maximum number of seats in the February 8 elections. Full stop. Paragraph. Interestingly, both the PPP and PMLN that stood second there had claimed to form their coalition government in Balochistan. Full stop. The issue of Balochistan will be settled later. Full stop. At first, we have to get breathing space in Punjab, a PPP source said. Full stop. Responding to a question, he said the PPP had so far not finalized the names of its candidate for the offices of the Speaker of National Assembly and Senate Chairman. Full stop. Crown of Thrones. Meanwhile, two PMLN stalwarts came out publicly in opposition to their party's efforts to form a government in the center, saying that the party had no desire to place this crown of thorns on its head. Full stop. Paragraph. In a late night tweet, Khwaja Saad Rafiq clearly indicated that he was not in favor of joining a federal coalition government. Full stop. No one has absolute majority in the present National Assembly. Full stop. The formation of the federal government is the joint responsibility of all the parties in the parliament, not the PMLN. Full stop. Independent members supported by PTI should take the initiative, form a joint central government with the PPP. Full stop. We will congratulate you. Full stop. Stop writing.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें और फीडबैक भी दें